PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, is a popular server-side scripting language used for web development. It is embedded in HTML code and executed on the server, generating dynamic content that is then sent to the client's web browser. PHP is commonly used to create dynamic web pages, process font data, manage databases, and perform other server-side tasks. Some key features of PHP include 1. Open source. PHP is free to use and distribute, and it has a large and active community of developers. 2. Cross-platform compatibility. PHP is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. 3. Integration with databases. PHP can easily connect to databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and others, making it a powerful tool for managing and retrieving data. 4. Easy to learn. PHP has a syntax that is similar to C and other programming languages, making it relatively easy for beginners to pick up. 5. Extensive documentation. PHP has comprehensive documentation, which makes it easy for developers to find information and solutions to common problems. 6. Wide adoption. PHP is widely used in the development of websites and web applications, and many popular content management systems CMS such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal are built using PHP. PHP is executed on the server, which means that the client user's web browser receives only the output generated by PHP, typically in the form of HTML, CSS, or other web content. This allows developers to create dynamic and interactive web pages by embedding PHP code directly within HTML files. PHP continues to evolve, and new versions with additional features and improvements may have been released since then.